Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, June 18. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. Been running around with clients all morning.
I get it. I'm swamped with project deadlines too.
Yeah, busy times. Hey, did you hear about that big trade news from Asia?
No, what's that about?
I saw on CNN that China is pushing for a new trade deal with some countries in Southeast Asia. It's supposed to boost their economy big time.
Oh, interesting. Do you think it will affect our sales here?
Maybe if they export more cheap stuff, I might need to lower prices to compete.
True. It could change how we plan our budgets too.
Yeah, I just hope it doesn't mess up my targets. I'm already chasing enough numbers.
Let's see how it plays out. We might need to adjust some strategies.
For sure. Hey, speaking of changes, did you see that tech update on the Wall Street Journal?
No, what's the news?
They said a huge company is launching a new app for remote work. It's got tools to track everything we do online.
Really? That sounds useful but a bit scary too.
Totally. I don't want my boss knowing how much time I spent on coffee breaks.
I get that. But it could help with managing projects better.
Maybe, but I like my privacy. What do you think?
I think it's good for teamwork. But we need rules on how they use our data.
Yeah, good point. I'll just keep my computer screen hidden for now.
Smart move. Hey, did you catch that story about the new movie trend?
No, what's going on there?
I read on CNN that short movies are becoming super popular online. People watch them on their phones during breaks.
Oh, cool. Like mini movies for when I'm bored at lunch?
Exactly. They're only 5 or 10 minutes long, but really fun.
Nice, I'm gonna check that out. Better than scrolling through emails.
Haha, for sure. It's a nice way to relax for a bit.
Totally. Hey, you got any favorites yet?
Not yet, but I'm looking for some good ones. Maybe we can share recommendations.
Deal. I'll send you a link if I find something funny.
Sounds good. It's nice to have a quick laugh during the day.
Yeah, keeps the stress down. Work's crazy enough as it is.
So true. I've got a meeting in 10 minutes, need to prepare.
Same here. Got a client call soon? Catch you later?
Yep, see you around. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. Take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.